Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the light crossbow in Gothic 1 Remake. The light crossbow is one of the best early game range weapons you can get without needing an extremely high dexterity stat. To get it, head to this location right here. You can reach it by taking the south gate of the old camp and following the path until you find this NPC named Pacho. Before you do anything, make sure to save your game, because what we need is Pacho's weapon. This might take you a few tries, but all you need to do is defeat Pacho and loot the weapon from him. Make sure you don't execute him, since he won't be aggressive toward you later after you knock him out. Once you loot him, you'll obtain the light crossbow. This weapon deals a whopping 60 damage and only requires 30 dexterity to equip. You can meet this requirement by talking to Diego and increasing your dexterity. With this weapon, you can easily one-shot many enemies in the early parts of the game. And that's how to get the light crossbow in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.